reach 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. So we've changed our channel name to GracySpace because the Gracie vlog is too rampant on on YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, today's video is just about dinner. So after thinking and cracking my head so much for what to cook, finally we agreed to cook spaghetti. So and yeah, I fried the pepper, add some water. Okay, so inside my stew while frying, I added pomo to it. That is why you are seeing those pomo, little pomo. And yeah, we finally cooked our spag and it's done. And I'm ready to serve. Yes. So that is it. Just something simple and yummy. Yes, you can say that. Simple and yummy. So it's done. So Kawaje Lokuba in so I'm serving my people. Yes, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much once again for always coming back to me, my returning subscribers, my intending subscriber. If you are watching me for the first time, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click everything clickable on my channel. Be cool, please. Don't just watch me and go like that. Please come back for more. Come back and comment your view, please. Always put down your comments. That is why we have the comment section. See now, isn't this beautiful?